Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. So today is my long-awaited updated eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my faux microbladed eyebrows for like a 14th of the price. If you don't know what microbladed brows are or what that whole process is, microblading is a semi-permanent eyebrow tattoo. The reason it's semi-permanent, it really all depends on how much brow products you're using on a daily basis, you know, how hard you're cleaning off your brows, but they last, it could be anywhere from 1 to 5 years, just depending on how you take care of them. So touch-ups are definitely necessary, hence her being a semi-permanent tattoo. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a very temporary version of that look for $26. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my faux microbladed brows, go ahead and stay tuned. This guy is going to run you $26, and what's nice about it is it comes with a more traditional style pencil as well as this brush tip here, which is how we really get that microbladed look. So my shade is Neutral Nana, and the pencil side is very traditional style. What also is nice about this pencil is it's going to be waterproof. It's not going to move around in the summer months, which is awesome. Same thing goes for this brush tip here. This is what's really going to give you that microbladed look, because you can literally just draw on the hairs. Like I said, what's nice about this product is it is a waterproof product. So in the summer months especially, you don't have to worry about your eyebrows moving around. That being said, I don't normally get my oily eyebrows with this product, but I also have to make sure I pair it with this guy. This product was gifted to me from my job, but it is an amazing brow gel. This is just our translucent brow setting gel. Now it's going to look like your basic eyebrow setting gel. Like I said, it's completely clear. But what sets this apart is just what it actually does to your brows. I've used other eyebrow gels in the past, and a lot of them will keep my eyebrows in place for a couple of hours until they start to get oily, and then they're done for. This one, it does kind of give you crunchy brows, so if you're not into that, you probably won't like this product. But for those of you who are like me and have more oily eyebrows, this really helps to keep your eyebrows and whatever products you're putting into your eyebrows in place all day, which again, I really appreciate. The first thing I'm going to use is the Morphe translucent brow setting gel. All I'm going to do with this product is brush my hairs straight up and then just kind of round them along the top. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe M213 brush, which is just a flat eyeshadow brush, really nice to shape around the brows. And then my Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade ND2. And all I'm going to do is shape around my eyebrows. So looking at my eyebrow, kind of how she's shaped up, I do like my eyebrows to kind of go straight out like this. So that's kind of the shape that I'm going to follow. The reason that I have been outlining my eyebrows first though is because it helps me to not overdraw my brow. Rather than fully drawing on a new eyebrow, I'm just kind of filling in where I need to, and this has been helping me to get less boxy brows. So that's what she's looking like so far. Okay, so now for the fun part. So I like to start with the pencil side first, and I'm gonna kind of outline the natural brow line that is forming underneath my brow first. I'm then also gonna kind of use the pencil to fill in my tail. Now for the marker side, I'm going to tilt her upside down like this. and kind of balance my pinky on my face, makes things a little bit easier. And then from that first line that we created, I'm just going to pretty much flick it upwards. Now to get a little bit closer to the front, I personally like my brows to come in pretty far, lining up with my nose. I kind of like my brows to stop here. So I'm gonna flick her upwards to that line. When I get to like this upper portion of my brow, sometimes it's hard for me to flick it upwards, so I am just going to take very lightly and you can flick her down. So I'm just doing really small strokes. So that is what she's looking like so far. But what I also don't want, even though I like to bring my eyebrow in pretty far, I don't want a boxy brow because that ain't cute. So I'm gonna take my concealer brush from before and I'm just gonna kind of bring that point down a little bit, just so that it's following kind of a natural brow line. And there you have it. That is my updated eyebrow routine. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Comment what you guys want to see from me next, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.